Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change default message timer on WhatsApp. Maybe you are tired of the default message timer in the application or simply want to adjust it to your preference. So today I'm going to show you how to change default message timer on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on the three dots icon at top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, tap on Privacy. Here, you will now see this default message timer option. Simply tap on it. In this page, you have the option to change the default message timer for all chats. You can select between 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or off. Choose the desired duration based on your preference. Keep in mind that selecting a specific duration will affect all chats in your account. For example, I will choose 7 days. After that, you now have successfully changed the default message timer on WhatsApp. From now on, all messages sent in your chats will automatically disappear after the chosen duration, adding an extra layer of privacy to your conversations. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change default message timer on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change default message timer on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.